How to delete Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here, just tap on settings under settings and privacy. And after that, just tap on see more in account center on the next page. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account center. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on manage accounts. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to select your Facebook account and tap on manage beside that particular account. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the option labeled as deactivation or deletion. And now here, on the next page, simply select delete account, and after that you simply have to tap on continue. And now here, on the next page, you simply have to scroll down and tap on continue again. And on the next page, you simply have to give a reason for your deletion. And after that, you simply have to tap on continue. And once you're done with that, on the next page, just tap on no continue with deletion button. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to scroll down and there you can just tap on continue. And with that, at last, you simply have to enter your password, and after that, you just have to follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. And once you do that, your account will be scheduled for deletion. So here you have 30 days to cancel in case you change your mind. But after 30 days, your account and all data will be permanently deleted. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.